Hi guys, I've just purchased this Samsung microwave. So I'm going to do a quick review on it. It is the Samsung oven. It's got a ceramic inside. It's got quick and easy cooking. It's got a capacity of 30 litres. It's got quite easy tactical dials. It is the Samsung MS23 F310 microwave. Retails about under £100 in the UK. It is quite a I would say basic to mid-range microwave with a 23 capacity litre, stainless finish, nice and easy to use microwave. So hopefully you sort of have a look at this and see what you think and see whether it's suitable for your needs, whether you live in a flat or you live in a large property with a big family or a small family. I probably thought this more designed for a mid-range family, maybe 2 to 3 people in a household. But yeah, let's get started. Let's open the box up and let's see what it's like. Okay, so when we open it, see there's the lid on top. So you get the lid. So you got your plate, shall I say, for your microwave. Quite nicely packaged. Let's take this out. Some of this, and there's your microwave. So let's get this started and see what it's like. Okay, I've just unpacked this Samsung microwave. It's got a lovely finish. It's got a kind of this glass finish with this handle. It's got a nice capacity, fits quite nicely in this space I've got here. So the first thing I'm going to do is really sort of set it up. So I've got this little clock symbol here, so I'm just going to click on that. What this allows me to do is select 12 hours, 24 hours. So I'm going to select 12 hours, and then what I can do is just select the time. So at the moment it's 10 o'clock, so it's about 10 o'clock. So I'm just click on that, so it's 10:15. So I'm just going to click on the next one and change that to 15 minutes. So there we go, set the time. So the time is now set and I'm ready to go. So basically it's quite an easy dial. You've got these dials here and you've got these dials here, and I'm assuming and it sort of starts away. Okay, so 3 seconds and there we go, we're done. So this essentially is the temperature. So it is 100, 300, 450, 600, 700 watts. So if I put it at 400, I'm assuming when you put it down to these two little symbols here, which I probably can't see that, but like them two symbols there, that basically means it's defrost. So I'm just going to put it on, say 500, and I'm going to take it to maybe 20 seconds, and it automatically starts, which is excellent. The only thing I'm not that keen on, there isn't a light, so you don't see a visual light inside of here. However, it's quite quiet. It looks quite pleasing in terms of the overall design of the device.